What's up, my stock market homies? We got a doozy to talk about today, guys. We're going to be talking about stock market YouTubers and how a lot of them are frauds and are only talking about stocks to get views. They're talking about the trendy stock, what stock's popping on social media today. Oh, they make a video saying that, oh, I like this stock, it's going higher, just to get views. And they really haven't done much due diligence or research, and they're just trying to get those clicks and that ad revenue. And I think that's a big problem. However, there are a bunch of great stock market and financial YouTubers out there that offer awesome information. I'm not saying all financial and stock market YouTubers are bad, but there are a handful that I've been witnessing with big followings that are only talking about the trending stocks, and they're only talking about them in a good manner. Yesterday, I posted a video. I had an opinion on a stock. I thought it was overvalued, and I thought it was a good short trade. We'll take a look and see what happened in just a second, but I got absolutely demolished in the comment section, and that's fine. Everybody was saying that I was going to be wrong, the stock was going to go to the moon, and that I was going to look like an idiot when the stock went up a few more 100%. Well, sure, that you have your opinion, I have my opinion, but if you're just looking for stock market YouTubers that are backing up your thesis, that have the same views as you, you're not gaining anything from watching those videos because you're watching the same viewpoint as you already have. I like to find financial and stock market YouTubers that offer different views than I have so I can expand my thesis on these stocks. I like to watch I'm watching a lot of real estate videos right now. I'm getting into real estate investing more and more every day, and I'm not watching guys who are doing the same thing in real estate that I'm doing. I'm looking to expand that, learn stuff from these guys that I'm watching, and not just recycle that information over and over again. So if we jump into the chart, I made a video on this TRCH stock, Torchlight, yesterday, and I said I was going to short sell the stock. They were issuing a special dividend. I thought that changed nothing fundamentally. I thought it was the company was hanging a shiny object in front of investors, hoping that they would bite on this phony special dividend. And that's exactly what happened. The stock ran up from $5 all the way to $11.70. There was an awesome swing trade in that area if you could have the foresight to predict that the stock was going to run up before the special dividend lockup period. But if you chase the stock just because of dividend, then that is an idiotic mistake. Then I think that's something that should be learned from going forward. Have you ever heard of Apple issuing a special dividend? Have you ever heard of Netflix issuing a special dividend? Or Amazon, Google, any legit company? No, because a dividend is nothing. 3-4% from a real blue chip company, okay. But if you're chasing a penny stock, a crap oil and gas company penny stock, because they're issuing a special dividend and all these phony stock market YouTubers are pumping the stock, you're just asking to get crushed. So my thesis on this trade, I didn't need to know anything about the special dividend, anything about some proposed merger, because I know this company is not an $11 stock because of their sales, their fundamentals, and their growth outlook. So my thesis on this is that this is a pump. As soon as the stock starts to drop at all, retail traders that bought into Chase are going to panic out because they're going to lose more on the drop than they would gain from the special dividend. And I ended up being right. I'm not saying I'm right every time, but in this case, it was very rewarding to be right, and it paid off handsomely. The stock dropped from $11.70 all the way down to $6.40, a more than a 40% drop in just a single trading day. Now, if you had watched my video and said, he has a point, it could have saved you some money. I'm not saying this is financial advice or I'm telling you what to do or how to trade. I'm just saying when I watch a financial channel on YouTube, I'm looking to get different information than I already have, and I think that's important. There's a lot of great information out there, but if you don't pay attention to it, and if you're not open to hear different opinions than your own, then you're going to get in big trouble in this game. The stock market is a place for sharks, not a place for sheep, following some phony YouTuber yelling at you wearing a cheap $50 suit from Amazon or whatever these kids are doing nowadays. I want to talk about the comment section and show you guys how funny this is. So this is the video I posted yesterday where I said I thought TRCH was going to be a good short. We have jokester number 1, Chuck here. Dude, are you not aware of the merger with Meta Materials and the special dividend and stock award? This was the last day to get a position for all those freebies and is 100% the reason for the run up. You need to edit this ASAP. Unreal. Psh. Okay, you got a special dividend, but you bought in up over 10. If you bought in yesterday, you bought in over $8 a share. Now the stock's at $6.60. So I'm pretty sure you lost more than any dividend interest that you gained. TRCH will go down after the dividend as always, but not yet. Why would you short TRCH right now? Dividend expected Friday. That's when you should short it. Dude, what about the dividend payouts? What the frick was that outro music? I don't know. Me personally, I would wait till Friday, blah, blah, blah. What an app. Here's a good one. Corey, it looks like he has a cat on his head, so he must be smart. Only smart people put cats on their head. What an absolute tool. Must have used daddy's money to get started, and he's failing miserably. No stock-specific news. TRCH is selling off all oil assets by end of December. It's no longer an oil company. Actually, I'm not using daddy's money. I'm going to make over $500,000 this year, Corey. We can compare bank accounts anytime you like. All right, so let's go back to the chart and take a look at this. Once again, I want to reiterate that I'm not saying I'm right every time, but this was very, very easy to see when everybody starts talking about a specific stock that's been up big over the past couple of weeks. The move's probably over. The smart investors have already got in. The stock ran up, they're locking in profits, and they're getting out of the way. And then you expect the dumb money to chase up here, get stuck, and panic out down here. And that's exactly what happened. So how do you tell if somebody you're watching on YouTube is just trying to get clicks? They're just trying to pump these trending stocks in order to get their subscriber count up, in order to generate more ad revenue and Amazon link clicks, whatever. They're trying to generate more clicks. If they're talking about trending stocks every single day and they're saying that they're going to go higher, they're buying more, buy more of the dip when they're down, it's going to the moon, then they're probably just trying to get clicks. This is my channel and I'm going to offer my opinions in my videos. If I like a stock, I'm going to say I like it, and if a stock's trending but I don't like it, I'm going to say I don't like it. And I think that's important. I think there's not enough of that in the world today. All right, enough drama, enough BS. I do think it was pretty funny. I mean, if you look at the daily chart, this candle today was one of the ugliest red candles I've ever seen, and it was pretty gratifying to have this short trade work out so beautifully. We are coming into this gap area, which tend to act as support. So if any of you guys are short, keep that in mind, that gap fill area down at the 640 mark could act as support. But I don't think this is more than a $3 to $5 stock. All right, let's talk about the crypto crash. Bitcoin down big on the day. Bitcoin down under 30,000. It has rebounded to reclaim that $30,000 mark. However, I don't think the crypto sell-off is over yet. And here's why. We have these big influencers, not even financial influencers, shilling crypto altcoins, crap altcoins. Kim Kardashian, she has 50 million Instagram followers, just shilled some BS Ethereum Max coin to her 50 million Instagram followers. They all bought in and they all got dumped on by the coin founders who were selling their position. And we're seeing this more and more. Soulja Boy was involved in something very similar where he literally said on the tweet he was getting paid $25,000 to do it, and then he went back and deleted it, which is pretty funny. But everybody's shilling these crap crypto altcoins, and it's giving the government, this is going to open the door for the government to impose more regulations on legit cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, the big three. This is opening the door for regulators to come in and say, hey, look at all this crap altcoins getting pumped by these big influencers. We have to put more regulations in the crypto space. And that is my biggest fear right now with my crypto positions. So I do still have some Bitcoin. I still do have some Ethereum being my favorite. And I will be looking to add on this dip. However, I hope to see these big influencers get shut down. I don't think they should be able to shill these BS altcoins. In my opinion, just my opinion, not financial advice again, I'm going to be sticking to the big three. I'm going to be loading up mostly on Ethereum, Bitcoin number 2, and then Litecoin. And I think those are good deals right now at these prices. Let's take a look at the Ethereum chart. You can buy Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Doge, all on Webull. Webull's offering my subscribers 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 when you sign up with a new account with the link in the description. So that's a good deal. Free money. Free money is the best kind of money. Ethereum selling off as well, but we are coming into this key support area here on the Ethereum chart. A lot of volume traded in that area. It's going to be a nice area to buy in and look for it to round back out, back towards 3,000 per coin. That is going to wrap the video up, guys. Just wanted to touch base and talk about the problems that I'm seeing in the financial YouTube community, just pumping stocks that they probably don't even really like. A lot of these kids, these younger kids, I don't even think are investing in the stock market. They never show their trades. If somebody's never showing their account, then odds are they're probably just doing this to make ad revenue, and they're not really even investing in the stock market. So just make sure the guys that you're watching, they offer their legit opinion. When they don't like a stock, they say they don't like a stock. When they like a stock, they say they like it. But it's okay for these guys to be wrong as well. You're never going to bat 100 or 1,000. If you bat 500, you know how to set those stop losses and those profit targets. You still make money. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.